This was a struggle to grab hold of. This cow's hoof had a spike of metal sticking out the bottom of it. I tried in vain a few times to grab a hold of it with my nippers. Until eventually I did manage to grab it. I twisted my nippers around until I could ease it all the way out. You can almost hear my sigh of relief as I realise that I can remove it. The cow kicks out as she feels the change in pressure in her hoof. Once that was done, it left a little black hole. The black is from the oxidisation of the rust forming on the metal spike. Once I got to the bottom of the hole though, there was an infection and pus oozing out of it. The pressure relief for her must have been immense. I stuck a block on the good foot using this awesome green glue so that the sore foot was up off the ground, then treated the wound with iodine and salicylic acid, wrapped it up and let her go.